Have you ever imagined a life without electricity? Limited light to chase away the darkness? No power to cook your food? No means to stay connected with the outside world? For many of us, this seems unimaginable. Yet in the heart of Malaysia, there are communities that live this reality every day. Welcome to Kampung Redig Pos Hau, a remote Orang Asli village located 27 kilometers from the main town of Gua Musang and about 500 meters above the sea level in a mountain at Kelantan. Home to just 30 families, this village sits in isolation with no paved roads, and for years it has faced the challenge of unreliable electricity. In the past, solar panels were installed to bring electricity, a glimmer of hope for this community. But with limited sun exposure and without proper maintenance and understanding of its use, many of these panels soon fell into despair, leaving the village once again in darkness. That's where the Society of Petroleum Engineers, Kuala Lumpur section, stepped in. Under our Diversity and Inclusion program, in collaboration with University Malaysia Kelantan, we embarked on a mission to bring sustainable, reliable power back to Kampung Redig. Through the installation of a small-scale mini hydroelectric power system, powered by the river that runs through this very village, we were able to generate enough energy to supply electricity for the entire community 24 hours a day. By harnessing the natural flow of the river, we provided a sustainable solution. This mini hydropower system not only powers the homes of Kampung Redig, but it also reduces the community's dependence on diesel generators, helping them step towards a more sustainable future and palatable cost of living without the need to buy fuel to run generators only to light up at nights. Imagine the impact. For the first time in years, the villagers of Kampung Redig can rely on a stable energy source. This small-scale project is more than just an energy solution. It's a step towards enriching life, energy sustainability, affordability, and security. The mini hydropower system produces MN load of 10 kilowatt hours of energy, enough to power 30 houses, a community hall, clinics, and a kindergarten. It's a humble initiative, but it represents a significant step forward for this village. SPEKL is committed to ensuring no one is left behind. Even in the most remote parts of our country, we believe in inclusiveness and empowerment. Together, we can enrich communities and build a brighter future for all. This is just the beginning. SPEKL looks forward to lighting up more lives, one village at a time. Because we are inclusive home for everyone.